Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll learn how to use Monday.com to optimize your content publishing workflows. Firstly, on Monday.com, create a new board named Content Publishing. This is where you'll manage all your content. This step is crucial because it gives you a dedicated space to visualize your entire content workflow. Now that we've done that, let's set up columns for each phase of your content workflow, like idea, draft, review, and publish. This helps us because it allows you to track the progress of each piece of content from conception to publication. Next up, add your content pieces as tasks on the board. Assign them to the appropriate column based on their current phase. The reason we do this is to clearly define the status of each piece of content. It also allows you to assign tasks to team members, fostering accountability and collaboration. Now let's enable automations. Click on the Automation button and set triggers like moving a task to the review column when a draft is completed. This is important because it saves time by automating routine movements and ensures no task is overlooked. Lastly, use the timeline view to schedule your content. You can set deadlines and visualize your content calendar. Let me explain why this matters. It helps you to effectively plan your content strategy and ensures you never miss a deadline. So, that's how you use Monday.com for content publishing workflows, a streamlined process that boosts productivity and keeps your content delivery on track. Thanks for watching, and remember, consistency is key to content success.